The next text structure we're going to cover is cause and effect text structures. This text structure shows how one or more causes led to one or more events. It's often used in history, and students will encounter it, and you will encounter it quite often in your reading. The easiest way to identify a cause and effect are using the transition words. There's common words such as cause, effect, as a result, consequently, because of, due to, thus, and therefore. However, there is a strong time component to cause and effects essays. That's mainly because a cause has to come before an effect. So students will often encounter words that are very similar in the chronological text structures. So let's look at a brief example. Effects of watching too much TV. The first paragraph really provides us with an introduction. In the last sentence, though, however, we are now trying to overcome its physiological and adverse effects on human beings. Goes with the sentence before, TV was also invented with positive thoughts in mind. So there, the authors laid out the cause, TV, and the effect. Trying to overcome the physiological and psychological effects. Now, the next paragraph is organized to go over the physiological effects. And we can see the common transition words. So it is true, however, another effect, one of the effects. In the next paragraph, the author then goes on to the physical effects. It says right here in the first sentence, apart from the physiological effects, there are also psychological effects. One is the result of being exposed to violence, partly connected to this effect, interpersonal communication, being insensitive to suffering, and coming home from work or generally prefer watching TV instead of talking to each other. Interpersonal relationships are affected. And once again, we see similar transition words. One as a result, partly connected to this effect, also. So when you're looking at the cause and effect essays, like most text structures, the topic sentences and the transition words give you the clues you need to understanding the main idea and the meaning the author is trying to convey.